Famous Brands is the leading quick service restaurant group in South Africa, selling marketing services and manufactured products to its franchisees.
Right, so the major divisions, all of which sell coffee, are Steers, Wimpy. I know people who go to the Wimpy just to drink the coffee. And then a bunch of other brands that have a more specific coffee exposure, and that's Mugg Bean, for example. And Vovotello is another one that they own. Plus, of course, there's Tasha's, where people go regularly in the middle of the day to drink coffees in their yoga pants.
I don't know where you work, but certainly that's not the trend here at CNBC Africa. 11.4 billion rand in terms of market cap, PE of 24.4 and a dividend yield of just over 3%. Did we talk about the coffee part of AVI? Sorry to
Well, we did. In the intro, I mentioned the House of Coffees in Cairo and Frisco and all of those things.
Absolutely.
So that's definitely there, and it's a good contributor. It's in the Beckett's division, which is now called Entice, and it's all doing well and going
Let's
well.
put that to bed. We're now back with Famous Brands.
So Famous Brands really, I mean, coffee is a wonderful product to sell in a restaurant retail context because the margins are incredible. So you can charge people, I don't know, anything between 15 Rand and 50 Rand for a cup of coffee. And in a context like a Vovotello or something, people are going there because they want the sort of gourmet coffee experience, and they're going to be paying for the cappuccino that has the cute picture of the cat in it on the top, or whatever, or the little leaves that the chaps make with the milk.
I see you really notice the detail when it comes to your cappuccinos.
And I think that is going to be a continued trend for them. So coffee shops, they brought the Mugg Beans into the petrol stations where they're going to be serving quality coffees as well. Definitely a margin opportunity. This company was on the news yesterday because they had results out. Kevin Hedwick was in studio with our presenters, and he was just saying, this company, plenty of scope. Don't worry about the market being overtraded for this kind of convenience dining in this country. There's plenty of space for everyone.
Share price graph, as we said, a good performance, and again, you're paying up for the very robust story that this company is presenting.
Yeah, and I think it did surprise people that they continue to do well, trade well. There's trading at around 110 to 120 rands a share. Can't really fail, can't really fault it. The
hot or not?
Founding family has been selling off a little bit of shares, but I think at some point that's going to stabilize.
Maybe they're just a little too exposed. Hot or not? Hot.
And we own it in our hot stocks portfolio.
Yes, we do.